In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to merge multiple PDF files in one. Let's get to the video. As you guys can see, I currently have three PDF files on my desktop, page 1, 2, and 3. And now what I want to do is I want to merge them in one. Basically, I'm going to go head down and I'm going to go to my Google. You should follow suit if you would like to do the same thing. And what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and then you're going to type combine PDF, press enter. And as you can see, it's multiple websites that does this, so it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to use combine PDF at the top. And then as you see, this is the website that I'm going to use here. I could select up to 20 PDF files and images from my computer to combine. Let's go ahead and locate it. And as you can see, it's page 1, 2, and 3. If I want to change the order, I could just hover over it and it will allow me to move and readjust however order I would like to readjust them to. And now from here, I'm going to go ahead and click combine. Now, after I click combine, as you can see from the top of here, it's showing that, okay, the files have been combined together. As you can see, after I press combine, it actually downloaded a file containing all three of the files that I just uploaded onto the website. And as you can see, page 1, page 2, and page 3 is in one. Pretty simple, right? So thank you guys for making it at the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.